あれ。約束1、部屋を明るくしてみよう。約束2、テレビから離れてみよう。約束3、繰り返し見たいときは一度目を休めてからにしよう。
The remains of the bridge that you see behind me used to carry the old LSWR railway from Friary into Turnchapel station. Now the station was severely bombed during the war due to enemy action, and the oil tanks on the site exploded, causing severe damage in this area. Now, with the aid of author Tony Kingdom and such organisations as TSW Archives, which have provided some very, very interesting movie footage for us, we're able to tell you the story of this particular railway. Now, this film is particularly important to us at Aarchive Film Productions for two reasons. Firstly, that it's taken something like 5 years to amass the information to put the film together, and secondly, our studios are just over there. We will also be telling in part the story of the LSWR branch line to Plymouth Cattewater, still very much in operation today. To help to plot the journeys, we asked Hovercam Limited to send their helicopter over the existing track beds to bring us some superb aerial shots. So come now on a journey into the past. In this new century, life is hectic, and memories of the past are precious. It's the 30th of September 1961. Members of the Plymouth Railway Circle take a leisurely journey to Turnchapel and back, leaving Friary Station at 2:45 p.m, hauled by SR Class Engine M7 number 30034. This would be the last train with passengers to run from Friary through Plymstock and Arreston and into Turnchapel. The Atlantic Coast Express in all its glory thunders through the West Country en route to Plymouth. It passes through Tavistock North and finally halts at Beer Alston on the fringes of Dartmoor's National Park, where passengers connect for the branch line to Callington. Beer Alston is a hustling, bustling station, always a hive of activity, alive and typical of a busy LSWR station of yesterday. But today, it's like a graveyard, pretty but hardly the centre of activity that it used to be. You could hear a pin drop until the commuter service from Plymouth quietly glides into the only road left. Now, after an intense search for archive footage and other historical documents and information, Aarchive Film Productions bring you The Last Train to Callington, featuring superb aerial photography by Hovercam Limited over the beautiful countryside of the Tamar Valley and East Cornwall. Archive records of each station featured include Calstock, Gunnislake, Chilsworthy, Latchley, Sevenstones Holt, and finally Callington. Also featured is the last train out of Callington on the 5th of November 1967 carrying passengers, plus the last days of old Gunnislake Station. There are reminders of the southern region's steam locomotives in those romantic days when the train was considered to be a friend passing through. It's all here, the sadness, the excitement, the experiences, the line with its people and its history. Coming soon, Last Train to Callington from Aarchive Film Productions.